Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Raid. We are looking at the NASDAQ futures on a daily time frame. And as you can see, we breached this level of support earlier today, dropped just below that at around 24,400-ish. We are working on a little bit of recovery at this stage of the game, but if this downward direction continues, our next target is going to be, let's just call it 24,150-ish. What you're going to want to pay attention to is whether or not this drops below the daily cloud. Now, as you can see, it has been a minute since we've even been down there, way back here in May of this year. So that was quite a while, and we've had a really, really nice run all the way up here. So wouldn't be terribly surprising if that does happen, especially with some of these huge ranges that we've had recently. I mean, just look at how big these candles are compared to like, I mean, obviously not this one, but most of these, those are pretty significant ranges that we've had recently. Now, you may look at a range like this and be like, oh, that should be easy to trade, right? Well, that's what I would say. But unfortunately, it was not. This is a 2 minute time frame of the same thing. And I just got all kinds of messed up in this open range today. Earlier today, Cloudflare was down. If you're not familiar with Cloudflare, it's a software that many, many, many sites around the internet run on. So my main trading site was down this morning. All of pre-market basically came back on right at the open. So I think I was already a little bit flustered from that, like a little bit frustrated that this thing wasn't even working. I couldn't even trade. Grr. And unfortunately, I allowed that to get the best of me today. I couldn't get anything going, and then I was just super frustrated and ended up hitting my max loss somewhere in here in this choppy mess. Now, the reason that I mentioned that to you is that things like that happen, right? Like tech goes down. Maybe you have a family or relationship issue. Maybe your health is having a challenge. Like there's stuff that happens in life, and we're human. We can't necessarily block all of those things out. But one of the programs in my early Black Friday trader bundle is Peak Performance Trader. And in that program, I pull from my 2 decades of experience as a mindset coach, my certification in high flow performance. And I really wanted to give you guys tools, well, and myself, tools so that when stuff like that does happen, because it will, you are human, I'm human, we're all human. So that stuff is going to happen. But if you have some tools to be able to work your way out of that, maybe sooner rather than later, you'll be able to not have it impact either the rest of your day, the rest of your week, the rest of your month, etc. There's definitely things that you want to do because it's not just like, oh, now I need to make back my P&L. No, you need to make back your emotional state as well so that you can show up to the next trading session ready to rock and not continue this self-sabotage cycle that you've had. So Peak Performance Trader is in that package. I've discounted it significantly, so you're getting 4 courses for essentially the price of one. You can check it out at the link down below. That sale is only through this Friday. Check it out and see if it's the next best step in your trading career. My hope is that you can make 2026 your best trading year yet. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.